morning, students. Welcome to the second session of our online class. Hope you all are doing very well at home. Students, in our previous video, we started with the explanation of Unit 1, numbers up to 9999, and today we will go for further explanation. So please be ready with your copies and with your pencils to write the definition and whatever examples I have given here in that copy. Okay, so today's topic, as you can see here, I will start with expanded form of numbers. Okay children, what do you mean by expanded form of numbers? In your book, the definition is given as the expanded form of a number helps us to understand the value of each digit in a number. It helps us to understand the value of each digit in the number. If you have your book right now, this definition is given on page number 21 on the top. Please underline it. But what definition I am going to give you here is little different from that. I have improvised the definition a bit to make the topic more clear. Okay, so please write that definition which I am going to give you. Expanded form. Write this definition in the copy, students. Expanded form is the representation expanded form is the representation of the number as the sum of place value of each digit. Please write this definition, students. Expanded form is the representation of the number as the sum of place value of each digit. Okay, when I will give you examples, when we will do this topic with the help of the examples, that time you will understand that how suitable this definition is going to be for this expanded form. Okay, so please do write this definition. Expanded form is the representation of the number as the sum of the place value of each digit. Sum of the place value. This term I have used because we add the place values of a number when we write it in the expanded form. Okay students, I think you must have noted this. Now we will move ahead for the example. Okay, please write those examples also. Whatever examples and questions I am going to give you here, please write that in your copy. Okay children, now look at the number 7894. Look how we have written this right now. This is the standard form of the number. This is standard form because here we have combined the face value of each digit. We have combined according to the place values. Okay, now firstly what we will do, before writing the number in expanded form, firstly we will find out the place value of each digit. Why we will find out the place value of each digit? Firstly, because expanded form is the sum of place values only. So for writing it in the form of sum of place values, firstly it is very important to find out the place value of each digit here. Okay, so let us find out the place value. What is the place value of 4 here? It is 4 ones, that is 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Place value of 9 is tens, that is 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90. In the previous video also, students, I explained how to find out the place values. Now place value of 100 is 8 hundreds, that is 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to 800. Now the place value of 7 is thousands, that is 7 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 7000. Students, now here we have the place values of each digit. Okay, and you must be thinking that why Miss has started writing the value from this number, why not from this number, this is the first number. But no, always when we find out the place value, when we write the place value, we always start from ones place, from right side. Okay, always started from here only, from the ones place. In previous video also I told you that addition, subtraction, multiplication is done from right side, and the place value is also found from the right side only. Fine. Now here we got the place values. Now we will represent it in expanded form. Okay, so what was the number? Please write it, students. Number was 7894. Okay, so we will write the place value of each number here. What is the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is 7000. Place value of 8 is 800. Place value of 9 is 90, and place value of 4 is 4. So this is how we write a number in expanded form. Okay, now again focus on the definition. What was the definition? Sum of the place values of the digits. Okay, by putting this sign of addition in between these numbers, we are showing that we are doing a sum here. Okay, and sum of the place values of the digits in this number. Now students, I'll give you two more numbers and you have to write its place values and in the form of sum yourself in your copy. That means you have to write the expanded form of that number yourself in your copy. So your second number is 5235 and your third number is 6050. Okay, you solve in your copy and solving on my board plus please firstly solve, then look here. No cheating before solving. Okay, students, I have written my answer, so I hope that you must have also written your answers in your copy. Okay students, I know second one you can easily solve, okay, because second question is similar to the first one, but you might be confused in the third one. You must be thinking that what we will write for 0 here, what will be the place value of 0. It is very simple. It is also similar like that only. I will solve the third one here for you. Okay, I will tell you how we have found out the place value of this third number 6050. Here we have added the place values only now. So firstly we will find out the place value of 0. 0 at which place? 1's place. That means 0 multiplied by 1. Okay, and 0 multiplied by 1 will be 0 only. So I have written here 0 now. 0 is only, there are 0 ones, so 0 is going to be there at 1's place. Children, in class 1 also you have studied multiplication, and you know that whatever we multiply with 0, it becomes 0 only. 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5. With whatever number, with whatever thing you multiply 0, 0 multiplied by me also 0, and 0 multiplied by you also is 0 only. Okay, just keep it in your mind, whatever you are going to, whatever is the number, if you will multiply it with 0, it will become 0 only. Okay, now place value of 5 is hundreds. That means 5 multiplied by 10, 50. Here I have written 50. Here place value of 0 is hundreds. Okay, that is 0 multiplied by 100 is equal to 0 only. Here I have written at 100 space 0. Okay, we are multiplying it with 100 here, but it is going to this, it is going to be 0. I already told you, multiply 0 with any number, your answer is going to be 0 only. Okay, now place value of 6 is thousands. That is 6 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 6000. Okay, here I have written 6000. Children, I think you must have understood the concept of expanded form of numbers. Okay, now I think we should proceed. And today also, in last video I have explained you comparing the numbers. Today also I am going to explain comparing the numbers. In last video I explained comparing the numbers with different digits, that is comparing 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digits. Now today we will do the comparison with the same number of digits, that is 4 digit number. So we will compare the digits and we will arrange it in ascending order and in descending order. Okay, ascending order, in previous video I told you ascending order is arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest, and descending order is arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, ascending smallest to greatest and descending from greatest to smallest. Okay, now let's start the comparison. Here I will write the number, then I show you ascending order and then descending order. So we will take 5 4-digit numbers. See, we have to compare these 4 digits number. There are 5 numbers with 4 digits. Okay, we will compare them and then we will arrange them in ascending order. And then we will arrange them in descending order. Okay, now let's compare these digits. So they all are 4-digit numbers. Okay, I told you in last video that when for comparison, firstly we see that which number has the least number of digits and which number has the most number of digits, and then we compare. But here all the numbers have the same number of digits, so what we have to do, we will compare their highest value. So they are 4-digit numbers, their highest value is at thousands place. Okay, this is the thousands place. So let us compare. For ascending number we have to start writing from the smallest one. Okay, these 2 are 5, these 3 I have 666 at their thousands place. So we will leave them, and firstly for writing our smallest number we will compare these 2. Okay. Okay, the place highest value is 5 here also and here also. Now what to do? Now we will come to the next value. We will come at hundreds place and then we will compare. Here hundreds place is 5 and here your 100 place is 4. So which is greater, 5 or 4? 5 is greater. So we have to write firstly the lowest value here. So our first number is 5432. Okay, and whichever number you are writing here, when you are sorting any number from there, please make a mark on it so that you will be clear that you have already sorted out that number. Okay, then our next number is automatically, this is going to be our next number. Okay, 5555. Now we have to do comparison among these three numbers. Okay, so all have their highest value same, that is 6. Now we will come to which place? Now we will come to hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 0, here hundreds place is 1 and here also hundreds place is 1. They both have same values at hundreds place also, but this one has 0 and 0 is smaller than 1. So definitely this number is smaller than these two numbers. So our next smaller number is 6032. Okay, now this number also we have sorted, this we sorted. Okay, now these two are left for the comparison. Here we have already seen that their thousands place is same and then their hundreds place is also same. So what we will do now, we will come to tens place, and there is a difference in the tens place. The tens place of this number is 5 and here it is 4. Okay, so this is going to be our next number 6140 and our last number will be 6151. Okay, students, please note it down. Now we will arrange these numbers in descending order. Please remove your this mark whatever you have made. Okay, now we will sort it for descending order. Okay, now let's do it. Now what we have to see, we have to start comparing the number and we have to find out the greatest number here. When we have done the comparison from for ascending number, we have started from smallest to greatest. Okay, in simple language, if I will tell you, descending order is going to be vice versa. Okay, if we will write the number from here to here, firstly this, then this, then this and then this, then you will simply get your descending numbers in the descending order. Okay, descending order is from greatest to smallest. Okay, we have already compared and our greatest number here is 6151, then 6140, then 6032, then 5555, 5555 and then 5432. Okay, I think you must have solved, or I give you few more seconds to solve it. Please write down these answers, students. Now I think you must have written the answers. I will give you one more example. One more time we will do the comparison. Okay, we will take one more number for the comparison, one more group of numbers for the comparison. 4 digits. Okay, and we have to, firstly we will arrange these numbers in ascending order, and then we will arrange them vice versa in descending order. Okay, so they all have same number of digits, so we will start seeing the highest value, that is the thousands place. These two numbers have same values. These numbers are 4, 5 and 6. Out of 4, 5 and 6, which is the smallest one? 4. So this is going to be our first number, 4321. Okay, after comparing the thousands place here, 9 and 9 are the greatest, and thousands place they are the greatest number, so we will do the comparison here. 5 is smaller than 6 and 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, this is going to be our first number. Then next, we will do comparison between these two numbers. 5 is smaller than 6, so our next number is 5666, and after that 6320. Now these two numbers have same numbers and the thousands place, so what we will do, we will go at the hundreds place. Hundreds place is also same. Now what we will do, now we will go for tens place. Here tens place is also same. Now what we will do, now we will go at the ones place. This is the ones place, here it is 0 and here it is 1. So which one is smaller? 0 is smaller than 1. So our next number is 9020 and our greatest number is 9021. So this is how, after comparing the numbers, we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Now we will write these numbers vice versa in descending order. So our first number is going to be 9021, next will be 9020, then 6320, 5666, and then 4321. Students, this is all for today, and today your homework is going to be page number 21, exercise 1.2. Page 21, exercise 1.2. In this page, what you have to do, you have to write the place value and the face value of the circled digit in each number. Okay, numbers are given, you have to write, columns are given, at one place you have to write the place, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, in the next you have to write the place value, that I've shown you. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, and then 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90, like that. Then face value of a digit is the digit itself. I have explained it in the previous video also, and please write this homework in your copy. This will be given to you in your download link also on your YouTube channel. Okay, so I think I should explain face value also one more time. Face value, I explained you in the previous video also. Face value of a number, of a digit in a number, is the digit itself. Okay, for example, I am taking a number from your book only. Your first number is 1386. Okay, place values right now only I have told you before ascending and descending order how we have to write the place value. And face value of 6 will be 6, face value of 8 will be 8, face value of 3 will be 3, and face value of 1 will be 1 only. Okay, the digit itself, whatever is the place value of a digit, its face value will never change. Like whatever is your place, your face is not going to change. In that way, only face value of a digit is digit itself. Okay, students, now this this is all for today's class. Children, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye, take care.